Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on a Raspberry Pi. Okay, so I'm going to do a few things in this tutorial, not in this one, but in this playlist. Before I just finish making the Ubuntu installation, Ubuntu I'm going to show you how to install Bitcoin on the next one. This one I'm going to go with Kali Linux, and I'm going to do some security tutorials. Okay, so first thing we've got to do is open up a new window. New window. I'll post the links in the description. I won't in my bank. I just post links in the description, okay? Raspberry Pi. Okay, so basically no. Go to Klinux and go to the normal website. This is for security and penetrating testing and all that sort of stuff. If you want to learn about security, then this is a good video to playlist to watch. Kali ARM images. Install for your Raspberry Pi. This one or this one, doesn't really matter, any of them, and I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do that, as it does take a while. It takes about 20 minutes, half an hour, since it is a big file. It's about 1 gigabyte, and I recommend 32 or 64 gigabyte of a micro SD. The next thing to do is install Win32 Disk Imager, Disk Imager. I will put the link in the description for the download, but I'm not going to show you how to download that. If you want to know how to download that, watch my Ubuntu tutorial before, the one how to install Ubuntu Mate, and I showed you like go to the website, but I'll still post a link in the description. Win32 Disk Imager. But I don't want to keep doing it every time I do a new installation tutorial. Okay, so go to Win32 Disk Imager. Yes. Then, like I said last time, if you've got more than one drive on your plugged into computer, then you will have to have a look at the letter. Like my one's got nothing on it at the moment, and you see the letter like E, letter E there. Then you'll have to go through the devices and have a look if you've only got. If I was you, if you do have more than one, unplug them all apart from the micro SD, and then you only have one. But if you do, and you have to keep them plugged in, like you've got loads of different like micro SDs, or you have loads of different hard drives and or SD cards and those different other things. Yeah, hard drives and all that. Then if you have to keep them in, then just go through devices and stuff. The next thing is go to image file. And after you download it, you have a look here. Here it is, Kali. I think I got an older version. Oh, is there a new? I'm gonna have to look if there's a new version. No, it isn't the same version. Okay. Okay, so you go there, then you'll just push right. I'm not gonna do this because I've already got it. But when I actually, this is nothing like Ubuntu. Last time with Ubuntu, you had to go. I actually didn't. I remember if you actually watched that video, we would have had to gone into like the settings and connect all your monitor and all that up to it for you to actually what's the word? For you to install it and all that. So this time you can just do this, write it to it, get the micro SD, unplug it, pull it into your Pi, put the power on, and you can SSH into it, which is using PuTTY like here, PuTTY. I'll show you in the next tutorial how to install PuTTY, how to use the VNC tutorial video. I'd use the VNC viewer and the server and install it on your Pi and all that. So I might start actually making Raspberry Pi tutorials, like just basic command line interface and all that. But for now, I wanted to do an Ubuntu one. The Ubuntu one is actually not going to be a big series. It's just going to be a couple of videos like how to install Bitcoin on Ubuntu. And after they have done it on Ubuntu Mate, I'm going to do it on original Ubuntu for the people out there, because I've never actually tested it out on the original Ubuntu. I think it will work. You'll just have to plug it into your computer if you're using a virtual machine, or if you use something else. I forgot what. Let me have a look if it's in my folder. That you can actually. Where is it? There we go. Where is it? I'll find it for when I actually do it, but I forgot what it's called now. It's a way that you can actually make it for your computer to actually install it actually on your computer. It might be here somewhere. I'll look on my desktop. I'll have to go to, actually I'll try and find it. I'll go into my basic folder. No, not basic, that's all my programming stuff. HTML website. Well, it's actually an HTML website, it's a bunch of files. Probably won't find it. No, there we go. Universal in USB installer. So what that does is that you can, I'll open up for you quickly. Agree, create. And what you would do, you have a USB in your computer, and you will select the operating system you want to install on your computer. If it will be Ubuntu or whatever Linux operating system, like Kali might be on it as well. Probably is, and you have like Windows and all that. There's Klinux on the security and penetrating testing one. Then you'll just choose Ubuntu. Then you'll choose go to the ISO file. I haven't got any on it at the moment because I don't really use ISO. And then cause that's really for like other stuff. And or a zip file. Yeah. Select your Ubuntu. Then you'll select USB flash drive. So you'll install it on the USB. Then you will turn off the computer, reboot. I'll show you another tutorial when I'll show you that another time. And then you will you will just go and you'll find it. Then you'll boot into it through using something else for logging into it and stuff like that. You'll boot into it by using ESXe and stuff like that. It's hard to explain actually, but yeah, that's not really what the tutorial was about. But okay, see ya. Bye.